First of all, do you eat vagina?
Come from?
Why you lying, man?
Nah, man, you can't bring them argument to me,
American gal like the lick now.
That's
What?
better.
Stop doing that
Honestly,
accent. It's offensive to everyone in this room.
To each his own, you know. So, Charlemagne, you can.
You never eat poom
No,
poom.
never.
So ain't no need to ask you if you ever licked the ass.
Never.
Ass what? Why not?
I would just say from my own personal experience, that's just a myth. They really do that.
Jamaican men do
yeah,
it,
they
right?
definitely do.
Why do y'all lie about it though?
What do you mean?
About eating the poom poom.
I don't know. I personally, for each his own still, understand? I won't knock a man what he does. You know? I'm not going to hear and judge Charlemagne because, you know what I'm saying?
What's so bad about it though?
Brother, I don't know, man. Everything.
It tastes like unripe watermelon.
You don't even know if it's bad though because you never tried it.
I don't want to try it.
What about Amber Rose? If Amber Rose says...
Not happening.
Is that the only way she let you get it?
Not happening.
Come on now.
Nah.
Cranium, come on
man,
now.
not happen, brother.
If she say, look, you can have all this poom poom, you just got to lick it 2 times.
I say call Charlemagne.
Now, the truth that earlier this year, a woman said she was your baby mama and was pressing you for money?
Nah, she's my baby mother.
Oh, that is your baby mama?
What's your platform, man?
I mean, listen, man, I think